designed for commercial or home use. The side ribbing lets air escape when pouring. Easily stackable. Extra wide bottom diameter, 32 ounces. Capacity. BPA-free, food-safe, and dishwasher-safe. Designed for commercial and home use, this all-purpose funnel has an extra wide bottom diameter. The side ribbing lets air escape when pouring. Top outer diameter, 6.55, full height, 6.88, stem height, 2.53, bottom outer diameter, 0.92. Stackable. Dishwasher safe. Food safe. BPA free. Made of polyethylene. Made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I needed. It's sturdy and the right size for what I needed, to fill 5-gallon water jugs. For the dimensions. The spout, from where the angle changes, is approximately 2.5 long and 1 in diameter at the very end, where it's smallest. The plastic is about 1/8 thick, so the actual diameter is really closer to 15/16 inside diameter and 1/116 outside diameter. Since I'm measuring, the total length of the funnel is approximately 7 and the top diameter of the funnel is approximately 6.5.